And now, the all-new T-Bird Shag Party. The music, the dancing, the fun. Featuring the best shaggers on television today from the Carolinas, the birthplace of shag. And now, here's your host, T-Bird.
Back shagging with T-Bird. That's right, 2000. Good to have everybody with us. As we look around the room, we can see we got a lot of seasoned veterans with us. They ought to be getting good at this by now. We'll find out. If you would, Milton, crank it up. Mark DeFresnay and seasoned veteran.
Well, I'm a seasoned veteran of life. I've seen all the heartbreak and strife. Lived on the battle land, been at the mercy of a helping hand. On the carpet or the edge of a knife, I'm a seasoned veteran of life. I'm the fella who wrote the book. When Looks Fountain had a drink I took, and broken hearts I thought would never mend, and dry spells I thought would never end. Sometimes a rotten, oh, you're left with a hook. I'm the fella who wrote the book.
Bit of Mark DeFresnay right here with the Bird Shag Party, and the seasoned veterans, as you can see, they know exactly what they're doing on the shag floor. Good to be back with you again on this Shagging with T-Bird. We got a couple of people we'd like to introduce you to. I saw them pass it by a while ago. Where Bobby and Teresa. Step up here just a minute, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Bobby, no, you're Bobby. No, he's Bobby. I know the difference. Bobby and Teresa McGee. Owners and proprietors of Corvettes in Wilmington. How y'all doing?
Good. Thank you for having us, T-Bird.
Certainly. And also got in my hand Bobby McGee and Sweet Tea. I reckon. Is that you? Uh-huh. Raining in My Heart, the Carolina Boogie Band. New CD y'all just got out. Tell us a little bit about it.
Last week. It's been out 1 week, and we've already sold over 1,200 copies in 1 week. Thanks for your support from all the Cape Fear Shag Club in Wilmington. We appreciate that.
Well, it's good to have you with us. We need to get the show down to Corvette sometime.
Glad to have you. Glad to have you.
We'll be right there. Good to have you with us. Ladies and gentlemen, Bobby and Teresa McGee. Hey, with that little bit of Johnny Mathis, Unchained, Unbreak My Heart, excuse me.
nights when I held you beside me. Unbreak my heart, say you love me again. Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door and walked out of my life. Uncry these tears, I cried so many nights. Unbreak my heart, my heart. Take back that sad word goodbye. Bring back the joy to my life. Don't leave me here with these tears. Come and kiss this pain away. I can't forget the day you left. Time is so unkind, and life is so cruel without you here beside me. Unbreak my heart, say you love me again. Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door and walked out of my life. Uncry these tears, I cried so many nights. Unbreak my heart, my heart. Don't leave me in all this pain. Don't leave me out in the rain. Bring back those nights when I held you beside me. Unbreak my heart, say you love me again. Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door and walked out of my life. Uncry these tears, I cried so many nights. Unbreak my heart, say you love me again. Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door and walked out of my life. Uncry these tears, I cried so many nights. Unbreak my heart, say that you love me, say that you
A little bit of Johnny Mathis right here with the Bird Shag Party. That's right, shagging the night away. Good to have everybody with us and Unbreak My Heart. Hope everybody's having a great time. Don't forget, this week we got special guest Bill Lowerly will be here for you. He's got a great couple of songs out. I'll tell you what, did real well at the Cammy Awards. But until then, Mr. Dudley Birch and Stop and Look My Way. You're shagging with T-Bird, some of the finest the beach at R&B.
Stop, look my way. Why don't you stop, baby? Here dance. Stop, baby.
Won't you stop?
Look my way. Now, baby, stop.
Stop, baby.
Honey, hear what I say. Give me a play. I've been hanging around trying to show my stuff, but you never see me, 'cause it's never enough. Even though other girls shimmy and sway, you just push me aside as if I'm in the way. As I try to get near, you keep walking away. Keep on after another who won't give you a play. He'll just use and abuse you and turn you down. Why take chances with him when I'm here for you now? Stop, baby.
Won't you stop?
Ooh, look my way.
Look my way.
Come on, baby, stop.
Stop, baby.
Hear what I say. Give me a play. Oh, baby, come on. Get a taste of the real thing. I can give you more love. You will feel that it's riches sent from heaven above. Give me more than a minute. I can make it all right. Girl, you look like that angel that I dreamed of last night. Stop now, baby. Come on. Look my way.
Look my way.
Ooh, baby, stop.
Stop, baby.
Hear what I say. Give me a play. Don't stop now, honey.
Won't you stop?
Look my way.
Look my way.
Come on, baby, stop.
Been with only Mr. Dudley Burge right here, shagging with T-Bird. I tell you what, people, good to have everybody with us. Tell you what, coming up for you, Bill Lyerly. One of the finest around, had a great year at the Cammies. Bill Lyerly, he'll be up for you. Right after this great word from our sponsors, Shagging with T-Bird 2000.
Soothe me, baby. Soothe me. Soothe me with your smile, yeah.
Back shagging with T-Bird 2000. I tell you what, good to have everybody with us. Last week, we had the Coastline in here. This week, Bill Lyerly. How you doing, buddy?
Good. How you doing, T-Bird? Good to see you.
Yeah. I think they like you. I know. Where's Bill Mason at? I know he likes you.
I see him hiding back there.
He's like me, not very photogenic. You know, it's all a mask. Man,
He's here. That's what matters.
that's right. You did pretty good at the Cammies.
Well, we got nominated and we got a lot of attention, and Repeat decided they wanted to distribute us, and that's cool. We're, you know.
What was the CD now?
Well, the CD right now we got. They picked up the first song, "I Won't Care," that we did a while back. Is going to be on the Repeat compilation in April. This one is in the process of charting that we're about to do, and things are rolling along, and we're working on 2 CDs as we speak. So we're very busy.
Big time. Well, don't forget me when you get way up there at the top, okay?
I promise. I promise.
Ladies and gentlemen, I tell you what, Bill Lyerly and FM Shoes, I think is the one you want to do. Is that off the Cobalt Blues?
Cobalt Blues, and that's the one that's in the process of charting right now. So.
Good enough, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Lyerly.
Everybody, y'all get out and dance with us. Come on out and shag. Come on.
Oh, baby, I can't take it no more. I say, baby, I can't take it no more. Seem like you're shaking like I ain't seen you shaking before. Got your red dress on, you strutting on the floor. Got that look in your eye, coming back
Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Lyerly. Come here just a minute, buddy. How can such a short man have such a raspy voice?
Figured that out. I haven't figured that out, but
Can we get you back later on in this show?
you sure can.
Thank you, Bill. Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Lyerly. We'll have you back in just a few minutes. Sounding great. Hey, with that, we'd like to send this out to a couple of special people. Brenda Bunn and Carol Bracey. How y'all doing? And also to Lynette Banks. How you doing? And you dress sharp tonight now. Where's the hot dog man at? We don't know now. Oh, there he is back there. He's waving. He's waving. Do what?
Excuse me.
Oh, okay. And can we see the shirt, please? Oh, yeah. Oh. Look. Aren't you proud? Or ashamed, one to two.
It was free, thank you.
So anyway, going out to Miss Lynette, also Brenda Bunn, and Carol Bracey, Keisha Brown.
A sweet bit of love can do terrible things to you. And this one is slowly tearing me apart. Oh, yes, it is, baby. It's causing me so much pain. And it's something that I can't explain. How I can love someone who keeps breaking my heart. When I know that some bridges need burning down, especially when they keep taking me back to your side of town, where I'm too weak to fight, where it feels so right. Whenever you're holding me tight, some bridges need burning. And I'm burning this bridge tonight. Yes, I am. I know you'll always be a love that's out of reach for me. And you're leading me down a dead end street. Ain't trying to go there, baby. See, I'm almost tempted tonight. Ooh, to love you just one more time. When I know that'll bring me misery. Oh, baby, some bridges need burning down, especially when they keep taking me back to your side of town, where I'm too weak to fight, 'cause it feels so right. Whenever you're holding me tight, some bridges need burning, and I'm burning this bridge tonight. Bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Some bridges need burning, some bridges need burning, burning down. Some bridges need burning down. Yes, they do, baby. Especially when they keep taking me back to your side of town. Some bridges, they need to come on down. Especially when they keep taking me back to your side of town. See, this is a bridge that should have been there. It's a bridge that leads to nowhere. Got to come on down. Oh, baby. Can't I tell you, you and I don't know. Should have burned this bridge down a long time ago. It's time to bring it on down.
Ladies and gentlemen, Keisha Brown. Some bridges need burning down. Are y'all in love or what? Good to have everybody with us. I tell you what, right behind that, we got the Tams and Walking Dr. Bill. Good to have everybody with us.
Well, my head's in misery, my heart's in a sling. I'm a walking Dr. Bill, my whole life is full of pain. Yes, I need my baby. People, I ain't signifying. If I don't hurry up and find her, I believe I'm gonna lose my mind. Well, I walked the bedroom floor, hung down my head and cried. I don't exactly have the blues, I just simply wasn't satisfied. Yes, I need my baby. People, I ain't signifying. If I don't hurry up and find her, I believe I'm gonna lose my mind. Well, I can't sleep sound at night, I just can't nap through the day. I can't hold out much longer, just living this away. I got to find my baby. Oh, people, I ain't signifying. If I don't hurry up and find her, I believe I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh, drop on the song. Play it, baby. Well, I can't sleep sound at night. I can't nap through the day. I just can't hold out much longer. Living this way, I've got to find my baby. Oh, and I ain't signifying. If I don't hurry up and find her, I believe I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna leave here walking dirty with my clothes in my hand. I gotta find my big black woman before she finds another man. Hey, baby. People, I ain't signifying. If I don't hurry up and find her, I believe I'm gonna lose my mind. She's a fine-looking woman, her shape is a tree. She's the loneliest kind of female people, Lord, I've ever seen. I've gotta find my baby. People, I ain't signifying. If I don't hurry up and find this woman, I'm going out of my mind. Said I'm looking everywhere. I don't care. I got to find her. Play it, baby. Play it, baby. Send her home to me, baby. Yeah, yeah. It's all right. If I don't hurry up and find her, I believe I'm gonna lose my mind.
A little bit of the Tams right here, Shaggy and T-Bird. That's right, 2000. Good to have everybody with us. And Walking Dr. Bill. We got more music coming up for you. Also got Bill Lyerly coming back in for you, do another song for us. Hey, just Shaggy with Bird. We'll be right back with more music right after this. Back Shaggy and T-Bird. I tell you what, having a great time this week. Bill Lyerly coming back in for us. And don't forget, next week, Terry Gore will be here live with us, Shaggy with T-Bird. Got two special guests with us from Lucama. from Bubba's Place every Friday night. Yeah, every Friday night is Bubba's Shag Shack. Sherby, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Do pretty good. And Coy, good to see you.
Likewise, good to see you, T-Bird.
All you got to do is check it out at Bubba's Shag Shack every Friday night. And I tell you what, have a great time over there. Check it out in Lucama. Good to have y'all with us.
Good to be here, T-Bird.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coy and Sherby. With that, we would like to say hello to Max and Angie Taylor. Had an anniversary, their 5th anniversary, a couple of weeks ago. So Max and Angie, this is for you, the Hardway Connection, and it must be love.
Baby, for me. Hey, hey.
to the Hardway Connection right here with the Bird Shag Party. It must be love going out to Max and Angie Taylor. Hey, happy anniversary to you. Good to see y'all. Hey, with that, we need to get Bill Lyerly back out here. Where would he be at? There he is, way back there in the back, but he's coming this way. Tell you what, folks, we'd like to remind you other clubs around the area. Memories Beach and Shag Club down at Atlantic Beach. Always got a great crowd down there. Courtney's Beach and Shag Club, also at Atlantic Beach on the Causeway. Check them out. Got a lot of stuff coming up. Memories, got the Hall of Fame. Atlantic Beach Hall of Fame, Shaggers down there. And Memories Hall of Fame of DJs there in Atlantic Beach. Where's Bill at? I thought he was on his way. Oh, there he is. Yeah, yeah. There he is. You're getting slow in your old age. Good to have you with us again.
Good to be here again. Always. Always.
Can you do another song for us?
I love it.
What we got this time?
Let's do uh-huh.
I don't have that.
We're in trouble, aren't we?
You got me. You got me. See, you can tell we're doing this stuff live.
That's exactly right.
The other one you had on there, if I didn't care or I won't care,
won't care.
How about that?
We can do that one.
That'd be all right?
Again? Yeah, that's fine.
I know the words as good as you do, but I'm not going to sing.
Well, why don't you sing it with me? Don't care about me, baby. You don't care what I do. Don't care about me, baby. You don't care what I do. You don't care about me, baby. I won't care about you. Keep running round town, telling people we're through. Running round town, telling people we're through. You don't care about me, baby. I won't care about you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Lyerly. Good to have you with us, my man.
Thanks. As always, it's wonderful. Thank you.
Hope you'll come back to see us in a couple of months.
Anytime you want me, I'll be here.
Thank you, Bill. Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Lyerly. Are we ready, Milton? Let's do it again. Go ahead and crank her up, my man. You're shagging with T-Bird.
Oh no. Just to feel your vibe, your sensual design. You know my heart goes crazy when your tender lips touch mine. Let's explore our love under candlelight and wine. We'll leave the world behind, baby. Girl, do you believe in the miracle of love? Won't you try and see? I'm the one you're dreaming of. Baby, close your eyes. Let the fantasy become real. Oh yeah, real life. Stay till the morning, baby. Rock me, girl, like I wanna rock you, like I wanna rock you. Stay with me, baby. You want me to? I wanna rock you, baby. Can you feel me, baby? 'Cause I'm coming from the heart. You're such a sexy lady. Ooh, just tell me where to start. I'll make sweet, sweet love like you never felt before, and give you so much more. Hey, hey. When you need a friend, I will come to you. You just tell me. Let me be your man. I will be your pleasure. Anytime you need. Stay till the morning, baby. Rock me, girl, like I wanna rock you. Don't you wanna stay with me, girl? Stay till the morning, baby. Let me know that you want me to, girl. I want you to stay with me, yeah. All the richest in the world, you will forever be my girl.
But the Temptations, new and old, would stay in My Girl. Tell you what, people, y'all looking good. Well, we got to end another show of Shagging with T-Bird, but we'll be back next week with Terry Gore. We're going to wind it up with Mr. Frankie Smith, a little bit of bus stop music and double Dutch bus. Good to have you with us, people. Hey, had a great time. Remember, check us out next week. Coming up for you, Terry Gore next week.
coming down the street, moving pretty fast, so kinda shuffle your feet. Get on the bus, pay your fare, then tell the driver that you're going to a double Dutch affair. B-5-4, well I'll be darned, here it comes. The double Dutch bus is on the street, you better get off the curb, move your feet. Bus fare, trans pass, that's the way my money lasts. Ain't got no car to get around. When I go to work, I gotta go downtown. Now I miss my train, that's a darn shame. When I'm running late, no sleep's to blame. If you got a wife, you know I'm right. You got a special man, well I can understand. Uptown, downtown, everybody's getting down. Say uptown, say downtown. Well, I'm missing my bus, I know I'm late. I gotta do something I know I hate. I'm gonna walk to work. 15 blocks, I already got a hole in my socks. Go ahead and laugh. That's okay, of course, what I really wanna say. I got bad feet, my corns hurt. Top it off, I'm late for work. Let me tell you what I say when I'm dealing with a funky sidewalk. Let me show you how I walk when I gotta do my funky walk. Let me tell you what I say when I'm dealing with a funky sidewalk. I say, sugar.
Is a jizzle, yes, I hear that the mizzle, is that the whiz, a sizzle, the kids out and quiz, a fizz ass fizzle.
I said, what's up?
Yes, I fizz out a mizzle.
I said, what's up?
Shizzle, gilza, wheels out, nills out, bills, baby.
Wilsey, Ilza, Blizzly, and there's double desserts. There's double desserts. There's double desserts. Wilsey, Ilza, Blizzly, and there's double desserts. There's double desserts. There's double desserts.
Music, gills out, sills on bills, I bills, I bills, I was bills, I. My kizzer. Is a kizzer. Is a kizzer.
You've been watching the all-new T-Bird Shag Party. The music, the dancing, the fun. Join us again next time for the best shaggers on television today from the Carolinas, the birthplace of shag. The T-Bird Shag Party.
For Sean and Dawn, every time you do the double Dutch, you really turn it on. Bill's Arbor, Bill's Harry, Bill's Eddie, Bill's Sam, Bill's Tommy, Bill's Aaron, Bill's Abby.